Hi, my name's Greg Hughes and I'm the CEO of Farm Foods Australia based down here in Geelong. We're a food manufacturing business and we've just had Brightex install a 198 kilowatt solar system across our roof. Brightex stood out the most for us in a couple of key areas. Brightex was cost competitive to what budget we had and what we wanted to achieve. Brightex also took the time to analyse what we had and what we needed and come up with the best configuration, the number of kilowatts or size we could do. What's exceeded our expectation was really good communication, quality of work and workmanship, quality of supply of goods. They worked in a very safe environment and just the process and cleanliness of their operation. That trust that you get with any supplier has to be built. So it has to be built from the information you receive, the communication you get, and the results of what you're trying to achieve.